They may look like monsters from another world, but these strange animals are 100% real. Let's dive into 10 of the weirdest creatures on Earth. Fact 1. The axolotl, known as the Mexican walking fish, keeps its youthful features for life. Unlike most amphibians, it never fully grows up, retaining its feathery gills and baby-like smile. Fact 2. The blobfish looks like a cartoon when brought to the surface. Fact 3. The shoebill stork looks like a dinosaur bird and can stand still for hours before striking lightning fast. Fact 4. The yeti crab has furry claws that grow bacteria to detoxify poisonous water. Fact 5. The star-nosed mole is the fastest eater in the world, consuming prey in just 0.2 of a second. Fact 6. The saiga antelope has a bizarre, oversized nose that filters dust in summer and warms cold air in winter. Fact 7. The Dumbo octopus lives at depths of 13,000 feet with ear-like fins. Fact 9. The goblin shark has a terrifying extendable jaw that shoots forward like a spring-loaded trap. Fact 8. The eye uses its long, bony finger to tap trees and scoop out insects. Fact 10. The leafy sea dragon looks like floating seaweed for perfect camouflage. From blobfish to sea dragons, Earth is full of creatures stranger than fiction. Which one shocked you most? Comment below, hit like, and share. This is the Random Fact Factory, feeding your curiosity one fact at a time.